Hi guys, what's up beautiful people? You're welcome back to my channel. And if this is the first time here, hello. My name is Irene and you are most definitely welcome. So guys, I found something that will get rid of your stretch mark permanently. Okay, after trying a lot of stuff and it didn't work, I finally did try this. This is a recipe I I discovered on my own with a lot of research and all that. I finally found something that will erase that stretch mark from your body. Okay, just in case you feel uncomfortable with your skin because of stretch mark and all that, don't worry, I got something for you. So ladies, without further ado, come with me. Let me show you this amazing recipe that will remove that annoying stretch mark from your skin. Yeah. Okay, right here I have snake oil. It's called snake oil. Yeah, and the other ingredients, I'm not going to say the names of those ingredients because the thing is, this ingredient is expensive, it's difficult to find and all that. I will not say the name because by the time I do, some people will just go package it and start selling it. Okay, at the end of the day, all my effort and all that will be in vain. So if you want to get it, if you're interested, just send me a mail or message me via Instagram. My handle is going to be at the description box. Okay, yeah. So but if you can get snake oil around you, fine. Snake oil does a lot of things. With the other ingredients, it makes it work faster. This recipe is not only going to get rid of your stretch mark, it's also going to get rid of any spot, like make your skin flawless. That's what it's going to do to your skin. Basically, it's going to get rid, even if you have scar, any scar is just going to clear it off. And it's, guys, it's so effective, it's so expensive. I did a lot before I could get this thing, before I could put this thing together like that. You understand? That's it. Yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to mix this snake oil. Is so hard and it's very difficult to dissolve. Yeah, so I'm just going to add this other oil. It's not like a oil. Yeah, it is kind of very thick and all that. So I'm just going to go ahead and add this to it. It looks like an oil, but it's not. It's just something different. Okay, I'm not going to tell you the name. Yeah, so that's it. So I'm just going to go ahead and dissolve this snake oil, like do a double boiler kind of. I have to do that behind the camera. Okay, yeah. So here it is dissolved, the snake oil and the other one, everything is dissolved together. So this is how it's looking now. I'm just going to go ahead and add other ingredients to this. Okay, guys, no jokes, this works like magic. No jokes, I'm not I'm not trying to hype it or something. Okay, but this is the real stuff. I've personally, I have used a lot of things to get rid of stretch mark, but it's not just working. They only make the stretch mark invisible, like it's not going to be visible, but it won't really clear the stretch mark. This is the real deal. Yeah, if you're battling with stretch mark, please hit me up. Okay, I'm just going to find a way and get this across to you. I'm actually preparing this for someone. Okay, this is an order basically, so I just thought of doing it so that you guys will see how it looks like and all that, all the ingredients, what comprises of the ingredients and all that. That's why I'm making the video basically. Yeah, so that is it. Symphony, so simple to prepare, but it's the ingredients is very difficult to get and it's effective. Most things that works well is not something you see around. Like I always say, what works so well is not something you just see everywhere and start using. Yeah, so it is effective and the ingredient is difficult to get and it's expensive as well. It works like magic, seriously. I'm one of those that will tell you you cannot get rid of stretch mark, but when I try this, it is wow. Is wow. And people have been calling me to get this, and that is it. So guys, it's just a short one, obviously. we've come to the end of the video. Like I said, just in case you need this, you can contact me and I'll, you know, find a way to get this across to you. And that is it. Yeah, I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below if you have any question. I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Take care and bye bye. Ciao.